Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into forthelow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. Today I've got this Quasar VCR to show you. The model number is VHQ-41M. It's great for playing back your VHS collection, and you can even record VHSs if you want, but let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have your audio and video input and output right here. The input is for recording and the output is for standard playback. And then you have your antenna hookups right here. Those are for receiving cable channels. And then right here it says it was manufactured on 7/23 of 2001 and it was made in Indonesia. To get it connected for playback, all you have to do is plug in the yellow and white cable to the output on the back. And then plug in your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and power it on and you'll get a signal to your TV. And then you can put a VHS in. And this is the original remote control for it. It's got a few different functions on it. You can fast forward, and if you press stop and then fast forward, it'll do a faster fast forward. And it's even got an eject button on it. Many VCR remotes don't have that option. And then it's got your menu button. You can press action and it'll open up the menus. And then you can even program a recording. And then you can turn on and off the display. And you can reset the counter if you need to. And it's even got a tape position. It'll show you where in the tape you are. And then on the front panel of it, you have your power button, stop and eject. And then another line input for recording. It's more convenient. It's on the front. And then you got your channel buttons, and you got a large display right here so you can see what the VCR is doing. And then you have your VCR TV option. And then record, rewind, play, and fast forward. So that's pretty much all there is for this Quasar VCR. It's pretty basic, but it will play your VHS tapes perfectly. If you're looking to order one, make sure you get it from us at forthelow.net for the best guarantees. And you can order over the phone or you can get it on our online store.